Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to set only admin can see all participants in WhatsApp group. If you're using WhatsApp and now you want to hide your contacts or participants in your WhatsApp group, so let's see how can you do this. For this you just have to open your WhatsApp and here just look for the group as I have just created, so just select it and here you just have to tap on group info and here you will get the group info setting. You just have to select group permissions and here you will get a lot of settings. After that you have to select this one that no one can edit group settings, but here's no any option to see or hide participants in WhatsApp group. So you just have to go for community sections and here just select start a community. You must have to start a community and then add your group into your community to prevent or hide your all participants in WhatsApp groups. So you just have to select start your community and here just create a community here, and after that you have to add group and then select the group which you want to add here. But if you won't have any group, you can easily create new one. Just create the group and here you just have to select group info and then just go for group permissions, and after that your all members or participants will be hidden from your WhatsApp members section. No one can see the members on your WhatsApp group except you or some admins. So that's how you can easily set how to set only admin can see all participants in WhatsApp group. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.